Hello, welcome to Human Physiology, Bio 140, at the San Ramon campus of Diablo Valley College. I am your instructor, Mr. Polos or Professor Polos. I have been teaching this class since it was incorporated here in 2011. In fact, I was the first teacher of human physiology here. So this class at the San Ramon campus is really dear to me because I helped develop it with a lot of help from the teachers at the Pleasant Hill campus. Human physiology is probably my favorite class to teach because my graduate degree is in physiology and I find the workings of the human body super fascinating. I also like the labs because we're doing the experiments on ourselves, hence human physiology. And there's always something interesting that happens. For instance, one time we were doing blood glucose tests and the students' blood glucose levels were supposed to be going down. They were going up. It turns out he was doing a presentation while we were doing the blood glucose test and he was releasing some hormones that raise your blood sugar levels. In my spare time, I like swimming, biking, and running. And yes, I have done triathlons. I've done small ones, like super sprints near my house, to half Ironman distance races. I actually like doing the training for them because it's something different every day, not running every single day or not swimming every single day. I get to do a lot of different things that I'm interested in. I also like hiking and traveling to mountains, as you can see in the photos behind me. So again, welcome to Human Physiology. I hope you enjoy the class.